Back. Today I'll show you how to put the XIAOMI Redmi Note 10 into Fastboot mode. To get started, hold the power key and select Power Off. Once the device shuts off, hold the power key and volume down at the same time. There we go, we are now in Fastboot mode. That's how you boot into this mode. To leave it, hold the power key until the Android icon disappears from the screen. Then let go and the device should boot back up normally. We are now back in Android. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.